Okay. Oh my God, that one's pushed on the inside, so suspension is screwed up.
So is it like this?
Just watch. It's going
It's
something's busted out on the side, like the axle's broke. Like, dude, where are you gonna go with this car?
It's gonna get hairy.
Don't go too fast, buddy. Don't go too fast. I've never seen a car dog track like that before.
It's driving sideways. Uh-oh.
Oh shit. Oh, get not too close.
Listen, I will say this. This person driving is good. That guy's a good driver. You gotta give him credit.
Oh boy!
Oh, this is great. Not gonna make it.
Oh, we did it! Congratulations! He has learned to drive with a disability. He's bought a disabled car. What is wrong? His tire's gonna fall off. It's got to fall off. Like something's gonna snap.
I'm crying.
Could you imagine? You see the people's head in the back seat just whipping around.
They're gonna give that car a DUI, not the driver.
Oh, don't get in front of us! You fucking kidding me?
I think you selected English. Do you want to change language? I think you selected English. Do you want to change language?
No. Are you fucking kidding me? Oh my God, what an asshat.
Are you afraid?
What the fuck is up with all the cherries and berries today? These fucking people are stupid.
They're oblivious to fucking.
Oh! Woo! And she wonders why her car looks like that. Jesus.
That's not her first run-in with a car. Oh, we almost saw.
What the fuck, you fucking twat? Jesus Christ. here. Want your bumper back?
Damn, dog, you couldn't see my turn signal, bro?
What was your hurry?
There's a cop right here too, right? Beautiful. Were you just sitting there to...
I was just coming to get a Red Bull. I've been working a movie thing since 6 o'clock this morning.
I'm pretty sure you're up now.
Hey, this isn't for me, right?
Oh, damn. Well, all right.